What's up, everyone? The new swing trading update for Grizzology is finally here. If you're not familiar with Grizzology, it's for day trading, supply and demand, and trend shows confirmation. But with this new addition, it will also show possible swing trade setups. And this is based off the daily time frame. So to check this out, pull up the daily time frame, and it's looking for consolidation, right? Please pay attention to everything in this video. It's very important that you do before trying to trade any of these levels. So one thing I want to point out, you can probably already see the TTM squeeze at the bottom of my screen. This is not mine, but this is one thing I will be adding in for extra confirmation when looking for a swing trade, right? Based off consolidation. So this indicator is called, let's take a look at it, about this script, so everyone can have the same one I have. This one by Beardy Fred. TTM Squeeze Pro is free. You can search it. It's called the TTM Squeeze Pro. Be sure it's called that because there's a few on there really close in name. Just be sure you get this one, and that's what I'll be using to help confirm my entries with the new swing trading update on Grizzology. So let's talk about, first off, this is only to the upside. I'm not interested in trading the downside for a swing trade. I want to trade the upside, okay? And that's where you'll see the confirmation come in. There's a few examples here. I want to talk about ones that failed, right? And I want to talk about ones that profit, that did what we wanted, right? That hit our price targets. You'll see a clear difference. Let's just talk about this one, right, to start with. So we made the range, right? You can see, and you can adjust this. Anything you want to adjust, you can come right here, go to inputs. Right here's your swing trading addition. You can mess with this a little bit. This is what it comes set at automatically. But be sure you turn this on. If you can't see the swing trading yet, you need to turn it on if you've already updated. And to update the current version, you should see like I believe it's a purple dot here. If you don't, you can click here and update. If you have any issues, sometimes you can just remove it, open a fresh chart, add it to a fresh chart, and it should work. I don't think there'll be any issues with the updating part though. And one thing I do have off, it will show you profit and danger zones. Basically, help you manage your risk. You don't have to follow that. Please manage it based off your, trading plan. I just put that on there to give you an idea of what I'm looking for. Absolutely use the final price target, but just be sure you're managing your trade on the way up. You don't want to wait on the danger zone to stop at. You don't have to, or maybe your stop's a little wider than mine. You're okay holding below that. I just put that there to kind of help you all out. Maybe take a little bit of the stress of planning for a swing trade away. So hopefully that helps. Anyways, before I start rambling on too much, I do have my VWAP turned off so you can see the price action clearly. This one, we made this range consolidated, but we broke below. No trade, right? This one, it looks good, right? We broke out with confirmation. Not much of a move. Why? Look down at the squeeze, green dot squeeze, right? It's not something I'm looking to enter off of. I prefer the red or orange dot squeeze when entering a trade based off consolidation breakout. And real quick, when I'm thinking about it, I have a few swing trading strategies I go to when looking for my setups. But if you have one and you're a Grizzology subscriber and you would really like to see it added to it, let me know because we can always make the option to turn it on and off for those that prefer not to use that strategy. So it's no big deal. Feel free to comment or just contact me on Instagram. You can find all my socials at grizzlytrades.com. Okay. Another failed. This one never confirmed. We broke below, so that's invalid. Now here, this looks good, right? This trade did what we wanted. We had the squeeze, as you can see at the bottom there. We broke out. One thing I also like to note, the day before we had a nice increase in volume on this. Before the breakout had the squeeze. This trade I would have possibly taken, okay? Now let me turn on the zones. It's going to look kind of messy because we've had so much, consolidation in this area, possible trades. So the zones will be kind of overlapping, but I want to show you anyways. And I plan on adding a feature where you can actually turn off previous zones on the next update so you won't have that issue. So I'm just going to go right here. I'm going to settings, go profit and danger zones, okay? So let's take a look at this one first. The first winning trade. Pay no attention to these two zones, okay? Let's pay attention to this one. So these two zones. So this was the breakout here. We confirmed we got in this trade. Final price target would be the money zone for me. You could either stop out if you have a daily close back in the danger zone or wait for, maybe we touch the bottom, you have a hard stop there. There's different ways to manage this. Just be sure you're allowing for the proper risk management because I'm not going to be there to, help you every single trade. If I take one, yes, I will be sharing what I take, but some of you all may take some on your own. So this any extra confluence you can add in this market. I'm going to turn this VWAP back off. Any extra confirmation you can add when swing trading, the better, right? I like to be super picky with swing trades. So we squeezed, we got in, eventually hit our final price target here. Here's another one. This is a separate trade. Confirmed here. We had the squeeze. That's what we was looking for. Had a slight increase in volume. Previous day, got in. You can see hit our final price target here. So pretty straightforward. Yes, there will be a lot of zones that don't play out, but if we add this extra confirmation in that I'm talking about here, the squeeze, the volume, I really like this type of swing trade. If you have any questions on this, let me know. I know if you're not a current subscriber, you're probably like, Grizzly, do you have a promo code for this new update? And yes, I'm going to give you all a nice discount on the monthly for the first month for new members only. Use code Grizzly, all caps, okay? This will be good for, I'll probably, this code will be good for a day or two, so be sure you get in. There will be limited spots. I'm really excited for the upcoming updates, and I'm excited for the recommendations you all give me. If you can dream it, I believe I can put it on this chart for us. So feel free to send any ideas you have. I hope you all have a great week trading. Let's really focus in and crush it. As always, I will be trading live on YouTube every morning. Win or lose, we do it together on there. Great environment. Thousands of people tune in every morning. Starts at market open, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.